Hi, I'm Marta and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel and I have a bag of fun from Aliexpress. Let's see what I did get. I have been buying to get ready for, I know I keep talking about it early, but I really want you to go too, and if I keep talking about it, maybe I'll entice you and maybe I'll remind you to save money to go to the Blythe Con, where we will also be having the second annual Dolly YouTube channel meetup. So I have been ordering, and oh gosh, look at this coat. Isn't that cute? We'll get it out on one of the dolls in a minute. How cute is that? All right, you know these are dolls by the box. Look, messed it up again. Here we thought, oh good, it was, oh, and there's more. Yay, we always like more. I better be really careful here. I have ordered some, oh, aren't these cute? Those are those little cards, Barbie-sized cards. I've got some ideas for those. And let's take a peek at these dolls. That will be customized soon. I hope soon. Lots to do. There we go. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, so pretty. All right, let's check eyes on these dolls. I love these pink and blue haired girls, and green, gotta say it, and mostly redheads, you know me. But I really like the pink haired girls. Darren had a theme idea, and they're gonna go right in it. Let's check. Oh gosh, isn't she cute? Yeah, the hair, well, that's not as, there's still a lot of hair here, more than the average doll has. But they were coming with like a double thickness of hair. All right, I've got a hold of the head, I'm pulling the string, and you get to see their eyes 4 ways. Yep, her eyes are good. I love this light pink hair. I did a fairy using one of these dolls, and I have some other ideas for me for those that I am going to be thinking about getting dolls for. But these 3 here are not for me. They are probably for gifts. Oh, isn't she lovely? Oh, look at that. It's like a pink mauve purplish. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I have dolls like this. I used one. Tammy had a, I think it was called Games challenge that she had done. I used a doll like this for it. Oh, look at that. Which eyes do you like best with this hair, this mauve colored hair? I'll probably be changing chips, but for right now I kind of like the gray. I don't know. And we're going to take this one all the way out and try the coat on her. Let's see. Where's the end? Here it is. There we go. I want to put these dolls back in their packaging, but I saved their packaging anyway. If I ever had to pack up my Blythe dolls, I would want to do it right. I love these dolls. As soon as they hit the U.S. shores, they're worth more. Oh, this hair's been coming in choppy, and that, it's not as bad, but it's kind of cut like this, which, okay, but now her hair is pretty thick. That's pretty thick. Anyway, this is like my Daisy doll, and sooner or later I want to do a customs for myself with using this doll. But her eyes work well too. Let's pull her out of this bag and pull that coat out and take a look. It's a cute little coat. It's just a little Barbie coat, but put it on a doll and they suddenly get cuter. Put something like these silly stripes on a Blythe doll and the whimsical comes out. Oh, that is cute. Oh, do I have to take hands off? Let's see. I do. Hate taking dolls' hands off. It wears the socket and pretty soon your doll has no hands. That's why when you go to a thrift shop or a garage sale and the LOL or the Rainbow High or Blythe has no hands because they wore out the they wore out the joint, or they actually lost them, which is another possibility and reason not to change hands all the time. What I've been doing is putting different hands on than these. They're more folded, not a fist, but like they could hold something. And then I leave those in. All right, let's push this sleeve up. This could also be used as a bathrobe, but for these purposes, we're doing a coat. Oh, it's cute. It's whimsical. It's not a coat I would buy until you put it on a Blythe. Very cute. I am always looking for Blythe shoes on Aliexpress and different ones, and I'm not paying. I know a lot of you do, and there's nothing wrong with that, but I'm cheap and I am not paying more for Blythe shoes than I do for my own. Darren came up with a model of these cute little loafers. I love the green ones, for Blythe shoes, and I absolutely love them. He's done some black. They're just not over here. If you put them on from the little toe over, let's see if I can move it like that. Hear the click from the little toe over. These are so cool. Hear the click? And watch this. They do not fall off. I am putting a little pressure on the back, but they come off ever so easy. I love them. Love, love, love them. From the little toe over, click. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.